Hey guys, it's KP here and we are watching KP Tutoring Zone. So today in this video we are going to learn color grading in Android. So without any delay, let's start our video. So now open your Play Store application and search for app called Koloro. So you can also edit photos with this application. So you can find lots of preset of Lightroom in this application. So once you install the application, now open the application. After opening the application, you can see the interface like this. So click on the plus option and now select any of the video that you want to color grade. So I am selecting the video. After that you can see the interface like this, so you can find lots of preset here, so you can choose any of the preset you like. So some of the preset you have to buy, but you can get many free preset in this application. So you can find lots of professional preset here, so you can choose any of them and you can also customize it later. So for now I will choose one preset. So you can also see before and after view with this option. So you can choose different filters from here. Now you can play the video and watch the effect. So now this was all with the filters. So now let's see how to customize it manually. So click on this option. Now let's adjust the light setting from this option. So I will decrease little brightness and some exposure value. So I will also decrease the shadow value and increase little ambience. So you can customize the settings according to your need. So now let's adjust white balance. So I will keep little bluish tone. So you can also adjust the settings according to your theme. So now let's adjust the HSL. So you can adjust all colors from here. So you can choose your desired color and increase or decrease its hue, saturation or luminance. So you can play with different sliders here and adjust according to your need. So for now I will adjust some settings and show you. Now let's go to details and adjust some details here. So I will increase some sharpen value. Now go to the border option. If you want to add borders to your video, you can add from here. And now let's go to color option and it will increase the vibrance value. I will only adjust the vibrance here. Now let's go to effects here. So you can add the vignette or a glow effect from here if you want to add. So I will keep it normal for now. So after that let's go to this split tone option. So you can add different tones to your video from here. So you can adjust the shadows and highlights of the tone from here. So you can choose any tone you like and adjust its highlight and shadows from here. So it is very simple and easy to adjust. So you just have to drag the slider. So for now I will give some bluish tone to my video. So at last we have the hue option. So you can adjust hue from here. So for now I will keep it as normal. So in this way you can easily color grade your video with this application. You can use filter if you like, or you can also customize it manually. So now to export the video, click on the tick option. Now you can choose the desired resolution you want and now click on export to export the video. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to learn more about this application, then you can comment down below. So thank you for watching.